My father liked me a lot as an actor. He always told me one thing, that you talk with your eyes, you speak with your eyes, and that's the greatest weapon an actor can have. I'm not talking about myself, but my father used to tell me.
आप कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं?
I never had the honor of
राज
working
साहब के
under
साथ तो
Mr.
मैंने
Raj
काम नहीं
Kapoor,
किया, लेकिन
but I
ऋषि
did
कपूर के
feel
साथ
the
काम
absence
करते हुए
working
मुझे
under
उनकी कमी
Mr.
महसूस
Rishi
नहीं
Kapoor.
हुई।
ऋषि जी के साथ मैंने काफ़ी फिल्में की हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बुल की है, ईना मीना डीका की है। उन्हें मैं सालों में कुछ जानने लगी हूँ और उनके साथ काम करने में ऑलवेज बहुत मज़ा आता है। ही इज़ लाइवली एंड ही इज़ फन ऑन द सेट, मजाक करते रहते हैं। But it's very sweet because when you know him, then you start laughing at these things. Because he doesn't mean to scold you, he just doesn't know how to handle the situation.
He is a fabulous actor, absolutely a dream to work with.
रमेश भैया! गणेश! भाई ये हाँ, हमारी वो मुलाकात याद है?
But Samadhi, I was never friendly with my father. I was very scared of him, just out of respect. But I just could not communicate. I could not be a friend. I don't know how to explain it. A son who's friendly with his father. There's always this kind of transparent wall. I could never reach him. You'd be surprised. I got married. I was a father, and yet I never smoked or drank in front of him. For the fact I don't smoke anymore anyway. I wish I would have left smoking when he was living. He was always against my smoking. Because he had to give up himself, and then he realized how bad it was. And I sincerely tell all my viewers also that smoking is very bad. My father was also against it, and he developed all his problems because of smoking also. And I lost my father, a great filmmaker, because of smoking. And I remember once there was this incident when I was at a party. My parents were there as well. And I got a little affection. I was a little high. I got a little affection with my mother, and my father was in there. I wanted to reach to him, but somehow I just couldn't pick up those guts, and I couldn't just reach out to him. And I left home after they had left that party. They had left earlier. I used to in those days share my toilet with my father. Same. We didn't have one. We had a common toilet. So I don't know what must be psychological or what happened. So before I went to loo and I wanted to come back to my room, and I suddenly got into his room, and he used to always sleep on the ground, and I got in bed with him, and I embraced him, and I went to sleep. And he next morning I got to know that he took off my shoes, my socks, and he felt very nice that my son is at last he's showed some kind of affection towards me. And then when I woke up at about 6:30 in the morning, because something was shaking. My father always woke up at about 6 in the morning to have a glass of juice or something. When I suddenly woke up, I said, "What's this shaking?" I just turned the other way and I saw my father there. I said, "Oh my God, how did I get into his bed? Get into his bed? How did I reach out?" I don't know. I didn't see him for 3 days after that. But this thing I'll never forget of my father. I have a film. I'm making a film, my father's last film, which my brother and myself, my younger brother also, all of us are making. It's called Hina. It was his last endeavor. He had worked on the subject, recorded 3 songs. He had even scouted locations. He worked on a lot of things, which is more or less ready. We'll be making that film, and I feel, I don't know, I have this very strong feeling that there is some external force or external guidance that man is giving us in making this film. I hope we can do what he really wanted to do. It's a great subject, a great idea, a great film, unity between Hindus and Muslims, and it's a great love story.
ऋषि जी के साथ मैंने काफ़ी फिल्में की हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बुल की है, ईना मीना डीका की है। उन्हें मैं सालों में जानने लगी हूँ और उनके साथ काम करने में ऑलवेज बहुत मज़ा आता है। you know, he's lively and he's fun on the set. So, मजाक करते रहते हैं, मेरा भी मजाक कर देते हैं. Never mind. And he's a very good artist. वो तो I mean he effortless. उनको बस सीन पता है, वो समझ जाते हैं बहुत फटाफट. And he delivers. और मैं कभी कुछ ना समझूं या अटक जाऊं तो फिर I feel really funny in front of him क्योंकि he's there first take okay. तो मुझे थोड़ा और एफर्ट लगता है, मुझे एक्चुअली कुछ ठीक भी नहीं लगता उनके साथ काम करना. इतने he shouldn't be so good. And apart from that, बस we have a good time. And दरार तो he started gossiping with me. वो पहले नहीं करते थे. But it's always an enjoyable experience working with him. बहुत तक किया मैंने भी उनको सेट पे. मैंने उनको बताया कि मैं बॉबी फ्रॉक्स और बॉबी क्लिप्स पहना करती थी किसी वक्त. तो बोलते हैं हाँ जब तुम सल्तनत में थी मैंने भी स्कूल में ही देखा था तुम्हें. बहुत डरती थी उनसे सेट पे बात करने के लिए और उनके साथ शॉट देती तो वो तो कभी भूलता ही नहीं ना कोई लाइन या. और यहाँ दिल घबराता था कि कभी मिस्टेक करूँ तो कितना बुरा लगेगा सबके सामने मैं मिस्टेक कर रही. वो समझ गए होंगे कि ये डर रही है. और तो वो आके मुझे कभी मजाक से बात करें या इन बिटवीन सेट शॉट्स बैठ के ऐसी गप्पे लड़ाएं. उनका ये है जब वो डांटते ना तो नॉट दैट ही मीन्स टू लाइक रियली स्कोल्ड यू, मगर डर सडनली सब बहुत डर जाते. वो लोग कोई गाना कर रहे थे ईना मीना डीका का और मेरी उंगली उनके कुछ पाँव के नीचे आ गई, उनके शू के नीचे आ गई. तो मेरी उंगली को कुछ लगा और खून वून निकलने लगा. तो उन्होंने देखा कि ये उसको लग गई है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ कि अरे ये तुम ठीक तो हो या कुछ ऐसे, अरे तुमने नीचे क्यों डाला मेरे अपनी उंगली में, ये कोई जगह है डालने की, तुम्हें दिखता नहीं है क्या. तो उल्टा मुझे डांटने लगे. उनको पता नहीं होता कि क्या करें इसके साथ. मतलब ही शाउट्स एट यू बट इट्स वेरी स्वीट बिकॉज व्हेन यू नो हिम then you start laughing at these things because he doesn't mean to scold you, he just doesn't know how to handle the situation. इतना अच्छा जानने लगी. हम लोग स्क्रैबल खेलते थे सेट पे और बहुत सीरियस कॉम्पिटिशन होती थी हमारी स्क्रैबल पे. Of course he used to win a lot of the times.
So he is a fabulous actor. मतलब absolutely a dream to work with. A fabulous actor. You get your reactions so spontaneously because he's giving you such right expression, so you automatically don't need to think of acting, it just happens.
गोल्डन जुबली 50वीं साल की सेलिब्रेशन है और खुशी ये भी है कि ये परंपरा HMV और RK फिल्म्स की इतने सालों से कायम रही है और कायम रहे. और हमारी नई भेंट है आप लौट चले जो मेरे भाई साहब ऋषि कपूर डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं.
रणधीर कपूर, राजीव कपूर और ऋषि कपूर द्वारा संयुक्त रूप से निर्मित इस फिल्म में मुख्य कलाकार हैं अक्षय खन्ना और ऐश्वर्या राय. हालांकि एक निर्देशक के रूप में ऋषि की यह पहली प्रस्तुति है, लेकिन वो उस इमेज से बखूबी परिचित हैं जो RK बैनर ने बनाई है.
राज साहब के साथ तो मैंने काम नहीं किया, लेकिन ऋषि कपूर के साथ काम करते हुए मुझे उनकी कमी महसूस नहीं हुई.
RK Studios' latest production, Aap Ab Laut Chale, is Rishi Kapoor's first directorial venture. The three Kapoor brothers, Randhir, Rishi and Rajiv, who are the producers of the film, were present at the launch.
इनसे मिलिए. ये है ललित, एक दो धड़कन एक और ये है मेरे रमेश भैया. ये करें.